Hello, tubies! Well, we're going to be grilling an elk roast today. Yep, that's what I said. You heard it right. This is a first for me. Some guy was leaving the campground. He had 6 roasts, and he gave me all 6 of them. Now, of course, I didn't have room. I wish I would have. But I kept 3, and I gave 3 to my neighbor over there. He took it to his parents, and they cooked it up and just loved it. So, I hope I feel the same way when I'm done with mine. Okay, well, here's our elk roast. Now, it says deer. I don't know what that's about. I was told it was elk. Oh, I'm making a mess already. Okay, I washed it off. It's very dark compared to beef. Can you see that? But I cut the end and see that's red. More like what we're accustomed to seeing. Maybe it's because it was in the freezer. I don't know. I think I'll stab it a few times. This is very, very lean. Because I'm going to put it in a baggie, 1-quart baggie, or 1 gallon, sorry, baggie, and soak it in buttermilk to remove some of the gamey taste. So I'm hoping those slits, I'll get that buttermilk in there. What am I going to do with the rest of this buttermilk? Any suggestions? Buttermilk pancakes! No biscuits. We don't have an oven. See if I can do this without making a mess. Okay. That's going to soak for 24 hours. I've heard you can do it with just regular milk too. But why not go that extra mile? That's what we say in the FatCat kitchen. Yeah, whether it's deer or elk, I've eaten deer, but I've never eaten elk. So, alright, I'm going to pop it in the fridge. Actually, I ended up soaking it for 3 days in the buttermilk. Some things happened. I just couldn't get it on the grill. This and that. I'm not going to go into it. Plus, some wind. So, it just didn't work out. But from what I understand, the lactic acid in the buttermilk is supposed to break it down and draw out the blood, which pulls out the gaminess. That's the way I understand it. Now, I'm a foodie, but I'm not a foodiologist, so I'm not real sure. But it's also supposed to tenderize it. I've heard that if you dress it properly and drain it properly and all that stuff, it shouldn't have a gamey flavor. But as I said, I got these as a gift. I don't know how it was prepared. And so I'm just taking precautions. I don't want it to go to waste. Oh, that would be horrible. So, alright, let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, I took it out of the fridge and the buttermilk soaked and rinsed it about 3 times. It was kind of unpleasant looking, so I just spared you guys from seeing that. You know, the blood comes out into the buttermilk. So anyway, I've rinsed it. Here are some slits that I had made earlier. I'm going to stick the garlic down in there. Right over on this side is where some of that silver skin is. And you want to get all that off. Okay, and since deer, elk, whatever the heck this is, is so lean and can get dry. Okay, that little ramekin wasn't working. It's not deep enough because see, the suction hole is right there. Okay, there we go. Whoa. I always do that. Gotta get it all the way in there where that hole is. Ugh, it's a squirter. Alright, enough of that nonsense. Garlic powder. The fan is blowing it everywhere. Ah, the struggles of living in this thing. Some of this Weber's Sweet and Smoky rub. And then we'll do the other side when we put it on the grill. Hi, here I am again. I had some technical difficulty. One of my video files was corrupted. It's not a big thing. It just showed my seasoning the opposite side. And I decided to put Slap Your Mama on the other side. Yeah, Slap Your Mama seasoning. If I brought something into my mother's house that said Slap Your Mama, yeah, my mama be slapping me. And throwing it out the door. She doesn't like all that mouthy business, especially to the mama. And you mamas out there understand. So, I don't know how she ended up with me. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. I haven't even looked at it. The temp is 300. Oh, it's looking good. See how thin that is? So, we don't want to overcook it. So I'm not going to do the Pokey Joe on it with a fork. So I'm going to use this. Yeah, don't judge. It's old and blemished, just like your cook mistress here. Whoa. Did I say mistress? No, I'm nobody's mistress. Let's get that clear. I'm the main meat, or I ain't nothing. I ain't no mashed potatoes, creamed corn, or green beans. Okay, we're good. Now, because this was closer to the heat, we want to flip. Oh, baby, that's a thing of beauty. We want to flip it like that. Now, that is a little thinner side than over here. Maybe we can move it away. I want it to cook low and slow. I'll tell you, it's about... It's rare. So we were at 300 when I opened the lid. It's a little hotter than I wanted. Okay, it's been about another 15-20 minutes. I am kind of concerned about... I did put more wood chips in there. I'm a little concerned about this overcooking because it is so thin. I want it basically kind of medium rare. I just want to make sure my meat isn't tough. Nobody wants tough meat. You know, you got to be one with your meat. You just do. I don't know if you can tell, But the grain is going this way. So we want to, oh boy, that tastes so smoky. Damn, that juice is good. Oh, you hear Freddy? We're going to cut it this way. Alright. Oh really? You think you want some elk? I know I overcooked this, doggone it. But it is tender, I must say. See there? You want some? Here. Let me throw you a piece. There you go. What do you think? Okay. Seriously, I'm really good with this. Except that I overcooked it. But I must say, no gamey flavor at all. Not a hint of it. Not even a hint of it. I wouldn't even know what kind of meat this was if someone served this to me. I would think it was some kind of beef. Oh yeah. Freddy didn't like it, probably because of Slap Your Mama seasoning on it. It's good, and I must say it's tender. It's more medium. I wanted it medium rare, but I'm telling you, I am not dissatisfied. Tender, no gamey, right on. Now, I only cooked this for about an hour and 30 minutes, but my grill was hotter than I wanted it. The smoky flavor from you can see the juice, right? From the grill and the chips. Oh, this is delightful. There's nothing gamey about this whatsoever. Yay, success. And it's not tough at all. Even though I cooked it a little more than I would have preferred. That's alright. Shit happens, man. Okay. This was a success as far as I'm concerned. Well, 85%. Just a little overcooked for my liking. But for some of you, this might be great. Alright, but I'm telling you the flavor is, oh, so nice. Lovely. Toodles.